Welcome to India. If you go to the southern state of Tamil Nadu, we find the city of Thanjavur. For the past 70 years, the E.D. Thomas Memorial Higher Secondary School has been teaching, training, and introducing students and teachers to Christ. Most of our church leaders in this region receive training from this school. The 2,350 students come from a variety of family backgrounds and religions, all longing to get a good education.
Most of the children, they're coming from very, very poor background. But it is our duty to give the moral support to the children, building the character building. That is our motto. No one to live in this school without education, without God's spiritual power. That is our duty.
Surrounded by other schools, this school offers unique values that attract parents.
There are so many schools around here, but parents bring here. Nearby also parents bring here just because we are teaching discipline and about God.
Due to its age, this school faces serious problems with its facilities.
The girls' hostel, it is not secure because the building is very old. The government very strictly ordered do not have the asbestos sheet roof because it is affect the children. The government very strictly ordered to demolish the oldest building and especially in the asbestos sheet.
Miralini is one of the students staying in the girls' dorm. Coming to this school was a challenging experience because she needed to travel far from home. Even though she didn't come from an Adventist background, she made good friends in the dorm, learned about God, and excelled in class. She still admits there is room for improvement.
Yeah, we need some improvement because the hostel is not with concrete walls. It's asbestos sheet. In summer days, we're feeling so hard. We have to change this, and the toilet is not enough for us. We need some more rooms and some facilities there.
This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will help renovate the girls' dorm at E.D. Thomas Memorial Higher Secondary School, providing the students with a safer place to stay. Please pray for the students and teachers at this school. Pray that this school can effectively represent Christ despite their current situation.
Thank you for supporting 13th Sabbath offering for e-school.